Good morning, students. In previous class, we are discussing about the division rules and their properties. So today we are discussing consecutive numbers. Some of the consecutive numbers, how to add it. So here, find the consecutive numbers. See, now we know 1 to 100 consecutive numbers. Some of the 1 to 100 consecutive numbers. Like here see 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. These like 100 numbers we are adding, and how to that 100 numbers, that is longest process. So 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 6, 21 plus 7, 28. So this like 1 to 100 numbers, how to we are added, that is a difficult process. So in this case, we are using some formulas. What are they? Here actually see, these one are different one thing. 100 plus 1, like a starting number and ending number. Next one, plus 99 plus 2. Now you are understand, here 2, 99, 100 before. Next one, 98 plus 3, 97 plus 4. This like we do, and finally 51 plus 50. So this like how many pairs we get total? How many pairs? 50 pairs. So here 101, 100, 101, 101, 101, 101, 101. So this like how many 101s coming? Total 50 coming. So here 100 cross out 101 by 2. See, this like 101, 50 coming. So that 50 actually here 50 cross out 101. These 50 here 100 101 by 2. So now 2 ones are 2 50s are. So these 101, 100 cross out 100 plus 1 by 2. So here so here 1 to 100 natural numbers, sum 100 plus 1. So here formula, let sum of the n means natural numbers, sum of the consecutive natural numbers is equal to n cross out n plus 1 by 2. Here see 100 cross out 100 plus 1, n cross out n plus 1 by 2. This is the sum of the consecutive natural numbers. Right. Now we are using one formula. Let's example. Find the 1 to 50 sum of the 1 to 50 between 5 multiple 5 multiples. Find the sum of the 1 to 15 between 5 multiples. So here 5. Next 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So 50 also 5 multiple. So here these all you are add 5 plus 10, 15, 15 plus 30, 50, 75, 105, 140, 180, 225, 275. Normal we do this process. But here 1 to 100 given, taken time, 1 to 1000 large time. So in this case we are using one formula. Here see 5 multiples, 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 25, 30 and 45, 50. Here which one number common? 5 is common. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 9 plus 5, 10. So here sum of the highest natural number is 10. So sum of the natural numbers. So 5 cross out 10, 10 plus 1 by 2. See n plus 1 by 2. That is. So here 5 2 1 2 5 5 cross out 11, cross out 5, 25 cross out 11, 11 5 55, 11 2 22 plus 7, 275, 275. Both are equal. So this is consecutive numbers between like 1 to 100, 1 to 50, 1 to 1000. Asking, we are using these formula, right? Next one, we are going to exercise 15.6. Find the sum of integers which are divisible by 5 from 1 to 20. As is here 1 to between example I said, but they are asking 1 to 100. So they are asking what? 1 to 100. How many numbers are divisible by 5? That numbers sum of the that all numbers how much? So now answer first one. Sum of the 1 to 100 between 5 multiples. So 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 95 plus 100. These all numbers are divisible by 5. Here common 5. 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 19, 20. So here 5 we cross out. Last, so here sum of the 1 to 100 consecutive natural numbers. So formula 20 cross out 20 plus 1 by 2. So here 2 1s are 2 10s are 5, 10 cross out 21. 5 210. So 5 10s are 10, 5 2s are 10. 5 10s are 50, 5 2s are 10. 1050. So these all divisible. 1 to 100 is divisible by 5. That is sum 1050. Next one. Find the sum of the integers divisible by 2 from 11 to 100. Here asking 11 to 100 divisible by 2. Like example 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. These are all adding how much? So in this case, here see. Now sum of the 1 to 50 between two multiples minus, they are asking 1 to 10 to 50 only, 11 to 50, but I said 1 to 50. So here minus sum of the 1 to 10 between multiples. Now I hope you understand this step. Sum of the 1 to, here they are asking 11 to 50. So I said 1 to 50 all numbers you are added. After 1 to 10 all numbers added. These ones subtract. Now automatically 11 to 50 only we get. So as it is here 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 48 plus 50 minus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 10. So here common, 2 common, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 25 minus, here also common 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5. So here 1 to 25 natural numbers, sum of the natural numbers, 2 cross out 25 cross out 25 plus 1 by 2 minus 2 cross out, here 1 to 5 plus 1 by 2. So 2 to cancel, 25 26 minus 5 6. So 25 26 how much? 25 plus 650 minus 30 620. That is, so 11 to 15 divisible to sum of the two multiples 620. Next one, find the sum of the integers which are divisible by 2 and 3. Here see. Here asking, find the sum of the integers which are divisible by 2 and 3. Here third one 1 to 50, 1 to 50 between 2 and 3 common multiples. See, 1 to 50, 2 and 3 common multiples. What are they? These are answers. So, 6, 2 common multiple and 3 common multiple. 12, next, 18, next, 24. So, here 48, 1 to 50. So, here common 1, 6 common, 1 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus, 4 plus and 8. So here 1 to 8 consecutive natural numbers. So 8 plus 1 by 2. So 6 cross out, 2 1 jar, 2 4 jar. 4 cross out 9. So 6 cross out, 4 9 jar, 36. 36 6 jar, 260. Right. Next, n cube minus n is divisible by 3. Explain the reason. These are formula. So here n cube minus n divided by 3. So this number conformly divided by 3. So how to explain? Here both one common what? First one n cube minus n common what? Here n common. So we take n, here n square minus 1. So this is like a 1 square value 1 into 1. So here you keep n square minus 1 square. Why? N square 1 square value 1 only. So like this is which identity? A square minus b square. Here this is identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. As is a square minus b square. So here n into n minus 1 n plus 1. So here n minus 1 n n plus 1. This is the formula of a n cube minus n divided by 3. So here you take any number letter, n value 5. So 5 cross out, 4 cross out, 6. So 4 5s are 20, 26 are 120. 120 divided by 3 divisible. Or n value 4. So here n minus 1 3 and n plus 1 5. 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60 divisible. N value 7. So 8 9. So 8 7s are 8 6 are 56. 56 9 jar. How much? That number also are divisible. So a number divided by 3, we are using this is. Next one. Sum of the n odd numbers. The consecutive numbers is divisible by n. Explain, give reason. Next one, here fifth one. Here fifth one, sum of the odd numbers, n odd numbers divisible by sum of the n odd numbers divisible by n. So here formula sum of the odd consecutive numbers is equal to 2n minus n cross out 2 by 2. So there 2 so here 2 is to cancel, n is multiples, so that is sum of the odd consecutive numbers n into 2n minus n into 2n minus n, that is right. Next one, sixth one, 1 power 11 plus 2 power 11 plus 3 power 11 plus 4 power 11 divisible by 5. So 1 power 11 value how much? 2 power 11 value how much? 3 power 11 value how much? 4 power 11 value how much? That total sum divisible by 5. So 1 power 11 always 1. 1 into 1, 1 into 1. 2 power 11, how much? 2 cross out, 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 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 128, 256, 512, 1024, 2048. So here these are all 1000, 1 power 11, 2 power 11, 3 power 11, 4 power 11 is not divisible by 5. Why? What is a 5 divisibility rule? A number has ones place ones place 0 or 5. So here see ones place 1, here 4, here 8, here 9, here 16. So 1, 8, 16, 9. How much? 14, 15, 24. So 24 divided by 5 not divisible. So this is sum not divisible by 5. Next one. Find the numbers of the rectangle given picture. Here what one box given. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6 rectangles. Next one, sixth one, seventh one. Here one rectangle given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are asking find the numbers of the rectangles in the given figure. So here this is a rectangle grid. Here we keep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. How much? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 divided by 3, 6, 10, 21. Next one. Rahul father want to deposit some amount of money every year on the day of Rahul's birthday. So on his first birthday 10,000, sorry 100, second birthday 300, third birthday 600, fourth birthday 1000. So what is the amount deposited for Rahul's 15th birthday? Here see asking your copy that is. Here asking question different. Now Rahul 8th one. Rahul first birthday deposit 100. Second birthday how much? 200. Third birthday 400. No, sorry, 600. Why? Here see 100 plus 100 200. So here added 300. Here added 300. 100. Here added 300. Second birthday to 300. Second birthday 300, third birthday. So here 100, here extra 200 added. So third birthday 600, here extra 400 added. Fourth birthday 1000. So here extra how much added? 400. So next birthday, fifth birthday. Fifth birthday, how much? 1500. Why? According to this series, here 100 added, here 200, here 300, here 400, here 500. So what is the 15th birthday? 15th birthday, Rahul. 15th Rahul deposit. So here 15th birthday total how much? How much money? So here 100 cross out, 1 cross out 100, 2 cross out 100, 3 cross out 100. So this like 15 cross out 100. This is arithmetic progression AP. So here amount is n, difference A equal to 100, difference. So D1 100. Next n equal to 15. So now AP equal to n 2n plus n minus 1 d by 2. So here once check 20. So here we are substitute these values. AP equal to 100, 2 cross out 100 plus 100 minus 1 d 100 by 2. So here 100, 200 plus 99 cross out 100 by 2. 100. Here 200 plus 9900 by 2. So 2 zeros 11. 100, 10,100 by 2. 250s are. So 5 ones are 5, 5 zeros are 5 ones are 3 zeros. Total 50,000. 5,50,000. Here n equal to 15. Here n minus d. Here 15. Sorry. Here 15 minus 1 14. 1400. Total here 15, 15, 15. Here 1600 by 2. 200 to 800. So 15 cross out 800. 800. 15 8 are 120. 12,000 finally. Next one. Find the sum of integers from the 1 to 100 bit are divisible by 2 and 5. Next one. Ninth one. See, 1 to 100 between sum of the divisible by 2 or 5. So here see, 2 divisibility are 2 multiples. 1 to 100 how many? Their sum. And 5 multiples. 1 to 100 how many? Their sum. So here first one, sum of the 1 to 100 between 2 multiples plus sum of the 1 to 100 between 5 multiples minus sum of the 1 to 100 numbers. Here 2 multiples 2, 4, 6, 8 and 100 plus next sum of the between 10 multiples. Next here see, 5 multiples 5, 10, 50. Here see, 2, 5 and so on 10 minus 10 multiples. Why? 10 is divisible by 2 and 5. So these numbers we are 2 times we are added. So we are subtract 1 to 100 between 10 multiples. 10, 20, 30 and so on 100. So here 2 common, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 50. Here 5 common, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 20. Here 10 common, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 10. So here see, 2. What is the sum of 1 to 50? Consecutive natural numbers. So here 50 plus 1 by 2 plus 5, 1 to 20 natural numbers. So 20 plus 1 by 2 minus 10, 1 to 10. So 10 plus 1 by 2. Here see, 2 to cancel, 50 cross out to 51. 51 are 50, 55 are 250. Here plus 2, 20 cross out 21 by 2 plus minus 10. 10 cross out 11 by 2. So here 50, 51 jar 2550 by 2 1 jar 2 10 jar 10 5 10 jar 50 cross out to 21 minus 2 1 jar 2 5 jar 50 cross out to 11. So 2550 51 jar 50 52 jar 100 1050 minus 51 jar 50 51 jar 50 55. So here 0 0 6 2 minus 550 3. So 3050. That is right. Next one, remaining one problem are homework. So we have math textbook finished. 1 to 15 lessons over. You are practice at home. Number of times you are practice and you are gain knowledge. I hope on every student understand the all chapters. So if you have any doubt, one text message send in our Gravity Global School or my WhatsApp number. So shall leave the class. Take care.